Right then, we just got to the farm. I'm not expecting a great deal tonight. It's -2. I've just walked around and baited up, and it's like an ice rink. I've nearly slipped a few times, so we're using the 177 Vixen long. It's RatWorks tuned. We're using 10 grains and slugs. We've got the Zulus HD 520 on top, and we'll see how we go. Right, so I know you can't see me very well, but you can hear. I'm just moving around the farm quietly. It's proving to be near impossible tonight, so I'm not expecting great numbers, but yeah, we're out there trying still, aren't we? So let's see what happens. I've had a couple so far, but it's really hard going, and I'm bloody freezing. Yeah, I don't know how long this is going to last tonight. Let's see. Okay, so we've got the Vixen long 177 set up. We're kind of central around the farm yard. We're shooting up there, you've got pig paddocks up there, and then back down the farm, just past the Massey, we've got a little hedgerow there, and coming back, we've got the main gates just inside the barn there. We've got haystacks, and then come round here and we've got a mixer, so we're kind of central. It's absolutely freezing. The ground's rock solid. It's like a bloody ice rink, so I've slipped a few times, but yeah, listen, we're getting amongst it and we're having a little bit of fun. It's not unstable ground here, but that'll do it.